Now you need to mount your PlayStation 5 by the TV, right? Either the left side or the right side. How are we gonna do that? Because it looks pretty cool. This is some way I have my Xbox Series X. It's a way I have my PlayStation 4, and also I have my Switch, and it looks pretty cool. Make sure you check my Xbox Series X video, how to mount it right on the wall. I'll leave you the link right in the top. Check it out later on. It's pretty cool. You will see how it look like. Okay, so what we have today, so we have this product that will allow me to mount it around the wall. Now the nice thing, it does comes with the screw and everything. We're going to show that, and then we're going to show the final product installed around the wall. Also, maybe you want to mount your controller, we can do this too. So we're going to look the way we can mount the controller, right? Will be right next to the PlayStation 5. And also, if you have the headphones, we can mount the headphones too. And it looks pretty cool. Imagine that, how it's going to look right next to your TV. So let's check all these things right now. All right, so let's take a look first how to mount it around the wall. So we see right here, so this is the front. We have the 4 screws right here. Even we have the level to make sure this is straight. And we see here 1 and 2. Depends how you're going to mount this. You're going to mount it the left side or the right side. So if you're looking at instructions for a second, and let's go this way. Make sure when you mount, it needs to look this way, not all the way to the wall. And there is 2 ways here, 1 and 2. So if you're going to be the left side, then it needs to be 1, and if you're on the right side, it needs to be 2. So it depends how you're going to mount the PlayStation. In my case, the TV is in the left, and I'm going to be mounting the console on the right side. So if you're going to do that, the way it's going to look, it's going to look this way. We're going to mount this right here, because I need to exit my cable this way, because my TV is here. It's on my left side. So this is the front. That will be the front. That's the way you're going to be on it. And then you install the TVs, and you connect it to Ryan TV, and this will be the side view here. Now if you're going to be mounted the other way around, so I'm going to be mounted the PlayStation on my left side, then the view will be this way. So the view is a blind side. All right, with the difference, the CD is here. The CD is kind of not hiding in a way, so it's easy to see maybe. And my cables exit that way, and it connects to the TV. And comes with the little screw. You need to remove the little top underneath the PlayStation 5, and then you screw it in. This is, do not go crazy, tie it all the way, you know, like kind of hand tight. So what we're going to do, we're going to show you, I'm going to remount that and around the wall, and I'll show you in the end what it looks like. So the next thing is for your headphones, and the headphones comes with 3M stickers. So there are 4 lines here, and then you're going to put this in double size sticker, and then the idea is, I don't know, maybe you mount it here, you mount it there, and it will be right next to the PlayStation 5. Then the next thing is for the controller. So you put the controller right here. It stays in place. It's all rubber right there, so it's nice. It's not going anywhere. And you're going to be using the same way. There is no screw for this, so it does come with a sticker. There is 3 ones you're gonna put it in. Self-sticker. Make sure you clean the wall good for that, and then you stick it in, and that's it. That's the only thing you need to do. So now you can have your controller right here, there, and there, right next to the PlayStation 5. It looks pretty cool, right? So now let's go around the wall, and let's mount the PlayStation 5.